Hello and welcome to Mangley Town. And back to my run through of my Class 43 collection. This is one of the other top four that I had to have, which is the new measurement train. This one is the R3366. So we'll have a look at this one. And obviously built up quite a few more coaches for this now, more than the train officially has on it, but never mind. And here we have a power car, which is 43062. Again, nice bit of detail on it. And nice bit of packaging on it as well. I believe this has, yep, opening doors as well. And we have the dummy car 43014, and I must admit I didn't notice till recently that it's only the dummy car which they've got the bumpers on this one, buffers even. Whereas I think the other releases on it, they had buffers on the power and the dummy car. Although I would have to double check, and I know there's another one due out this year as well. The only thing that Hornby really need to bring out is an actual proper coach with a dummy pantograph on it. That's the only thing they're really missing from their coach range so far. I'll also be doing shortly a meet the fleet on my whole Network Rail collection, so you'll see this with all its coaches and the other at least one loco I've got for Network Rail. So thank you, and I'll see you again soon.